What's up guys, it's Minigun and today we are gonna play Sausage Man. Alright, so this is a battle royale. Yeah. It's called battle royale. So yeah, let's go. I can't go. Wait, how do I get here? No, I'm not going there. Let's leave it. Okay. Okay, let's change it to 5. Why it's not starting? Oh, what about we take a picture? Oh, now finally, yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna walk them. Alright. Get out. Is that guy right here? Yep, he is here. Oh, where are you? Number 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Party has
Number 3, leave the team.
We are in the explosion bar, I'll take it if you guys are right now. I'm not right now. I don't know. I don't know this guy.
Number 2, leave the team.
Number 2.
Number 4, leave the team.
And this one, what are this one? Maybe that's more better, but more bigger. Yeah. Where's that one? Okay. What do you got here? Ooh, level 7. Nice. Oh. We did. Where are we going right now? Oh, oh my god, I need to get out of here right now. This place looks dangerous. Let's go, guys. Let's go, go, Is that a Uzi? Give me the Uzi. That's it. Give me the Uzi or the Tommy gun. I need a Tommy gun because the Tommy gun is better. Oh, this is a gun. And I know I need to change the gun to the Tommy gun. Tommy gun. Much of the ammo. Oh, yummy. Ooh, yum yum. Where is... Wait, I can get three of them. Can I get...
Is down.
Two.
Is eliminated. Please pick up my respawn coin. Thanks.
Oh no, it didn't. Over and then. Hey, what is I need my Uzi.
Request support.
Oh my god, please. Shoot. This one. We did it, guys. What is this? A level 1 backpack? Ew. Disgusting. You're... I think I should get this. Okay, and I really need a tons of tons of... 6 ammo? Are you kidding me? How am I shooting?
Marking target location.
I need a second backpack. Dun, dun, dun. I can't draw it to there. So yeah, just okay. Right. Where are those those.
Marking target location.
Yes, let's go. Yes. I will. Alright. Where do we go? I need to find a vehicle. There's nobody. That's great. Let's go, guys. Why did it? That no. I'm sorry, are you Gregory or something? Are you Gregory? Easy. Oh, yes, I see that. Oh, who's that? Oh, you're trying to attack me, right? Yes. Go. Okay. Get out. Oh, shoot, this is all. What if I'm just wow? What is this someone? Oh, she feels surrounded with. That's really I'm gonna save them right now. I'm gonna just. Yeah, I'm gonna just get through. We got. I never tried this. No. Oh, someone attacked me. Okay, it's only me. Oh! Oh! Looking for armor? I never see it in the magic wand. What do we need the magic wand for? Okay, magic wand did not do anything, but we got. I don't have a full magic. That's what I need. What are we forcing people in this place? I don't know. I'm not gonna risk my personal. I'm running. Beat you, buddy. I'm scared. What if I die? Because I always want to get out. Get out! I will fly. Boy, I wish I can fly in this game. Go! Go! Run! Where are those? No! Ugh. Need that. Wait, no. No, I can't get both of them. That's crazy. What the heck? I thought that was a... Oh my god. You know how hard it is to find a Gatling gun, dude? No way. We can... Oh... Sheesh, no one. Am I gonna be the last person alive? Huh? Shout my name. Shout my name. Shout my name. Yeah, my name is Ken. Yeah, my name is Ken, and I'm 9 years old, and I play Swordsman, but I don't play that much because I always play Battle Royale. Different battle games. Oh my god, who are you? Yes! No! Go! Go up! Go up! Whoa! Who are you? Go! No, my buggy! Let's go, everyone. Let's go. there. Maybe we can use the cannon to launch us. Oh! Go, 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 go. Go the cannon, go. Hurry up, go. Go, go, go. Go. Dude, we're gonna beat the game. I can't believe we're gonna beat the game. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna die. Bruh. It's the end. Oh my god, I think we're definitely gonna do it. There's only 10 people alive in this game. Okay guys. I think I need to switch my gun. It's very heavy. Or I can use my...
Marking target location.
Who is this guy? Did someone see that now? Oh my shoot. Oh my god. I freaking got to grab a mushroom. I need to grab a mushroom. Ooh, what if I use it? What? Can everyone see me, huh? Okay, hold on. Shoot. Oh my, this is the only god. Wait, is that Martin? I think it's Martin. That's Martin. Is that Eve? Is that actually Martin? Oh shoot. Yes. Let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot. Why did it cancel it? I need to find enemies with it. Okay. Just switch the energy thing. Oh. Hello, man. There's only 6 people alive. Okay. Is there someone? I'm doing it. Whee! Let's go. We did it. Yay! We did it. We have to do our victory dance. I did it. Did someone give me a like? How much? Wait, okay. How much? We don't rescue each other? Are you kidding me? Really? How much people did I kill? I don't know. Is it 9? I don't know. Okay. I can't. Whoa. Dude, is this like 1 hour? Because I really want to put this on the channel. Dude, thank you so much for playing. We will play Sussman maybe later and now. See. Do you have a prize in here? Oh, yeah, we got a rainbow key. change to so much.